What if entering your kitchen was like entering a warm embrace? It would be a comfortable retreat where classic utility and rustic charm coexist. More than just a style, the Rustic Farmhouse country kitchen is a way of life. Here's how to capture that classic country charm while transforming your area into the focal point of your house. The beauty of natural materials is what makes rustic kitchens so appealing. Consider faded finishes that evoke memories of bygone eras, stone countertops, and repurposed wood beams. Your kitchen will feel warm and inviting thanks to these textures. The hallmark of a country kitchen is a neutral color palette, soft whites, creams, and beiges. But subtle pops of color, like pastel blue cabinets or a warm mustard accent wall, add personality without overpowering the serene vibe. Country kitchens thrive on character. Incorporate vintage signs, a hanging pot rack, or antique kitchen tools displayed on the walls. Even an old milk jug can double as a vase for fresh wildflowers. A sturdy, weathered farmhouse table isn't just furniture, it's where memories are made. Pair it with mismatched wooden chairs or a bench for a laid-back, welcoming look. Bonus points for a linen runner and fresh-picked flowers as the centerpiece. Country kitchens thrive on character. Incorporate vintage signs, a hanging pot rack, or antique kitchen tools displayed on the walls. Even an old milk jug can double as a vase for fresh wildflowers. Your kitchen is more than a place to cook, it's the heart of your home. By blending natural materials, thoughtful design elements, and personal touches, your rustic farmhouse kitchen becomes a warm, inviting space for family and friends. Subscribe to Farmhouse Bliss for more inspiring home ideas. And don't forget to like this video if you're ready to bring this cozy country charm into your life.